Hi, I'm Thomas Ludwig, and in this short video, we are going to be going over the functionality of the CSR 425. The CSR 425 is a retractable holder specifically designed for 1-inch MPT process connections. It also uses 425mm sensors. We'll begin with the installation of our 425mm sensor. We have the shroud removed, and we will install our PG 13.5 threads. Next, we will connect our sensor and then cover it with the shroud. Now that our sensor is installed, we will go over the insertion of the sensor into the process. To retract the sensor, first we will start with the ergonomic handle, loosening that, and then we will take the sheath, pull it back, and we should hear a click. Next, we will shut off the sensor from the process. And here we have flush ports that we can flush in chemicals to clean and service this sensor. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us.